Hey everyone, welcome back to Moneybot Daily. Today, I'm going to reveal an easy AI side hustle that's already helping thousands of people create passive income, and get this, it could actually retire your family. Sounds crazy? Stick around, because this is one of the smartest ways to make money using AI in 2025. If you've been spending your days like this, on long and boring video calls, this AI side hustle is for you. It's time to escape the 9-to-5 grind. And the best part? You don't need any special skills, big money to start, or even prior experience. Let's dive in. This hustle is all about creating digital products with AI. Think ebooks, templates, social media content packs, even email newsletters. You use AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper, or Canva's AI features to generate high-quality content fast. Then you sell those products on platforms like Etsy, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or Fiverr. It's a simple create once, sell many times model. Why does this work so well? Because AI dramatically cuts down the time and skill needed to create content that sells. Instead of spending weeks writing or designing, AI can do it in minutes. Plus, digital products have zero inventory, no shipping headaches, and very low upfront costs. That means your profit margins can be huge. Here's how to get started today. Pick a niche you're interested in or has a proven market, for example, fitness guides, recipe books, productivity planners, or social media post templates. Use AI tools like ChatGPT to write your ebook, generate social media captions, or brainstorm ideas. Polish it up quickly with design tools like Canva, which also has AI-powered design features. Upload your finished product to marketplaces like Etsy or Amazon KDP. Promote it on social media or use paid ads if you want to scale fast. Every sale you make brings in passive income, sometimes for months or years after you create the product. Now, don't expect overnight riches. Like any business, it takes consistency and learning. But if you keep putting out quality digital products and learning how to market them, the AI side hustle can snowball into a full-time income, enough to retire your family or fund your dreams. Etsy, Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or Fiverr. It's a simple create once, sell many times model. If you want to retire your family with AI, this hustle is one of the best ways to start right now. I'm dropping links to my favorite AI tools and step-by-step guides in the description below. Don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell, because every day, I'm sharing smart, practical ways to grow your money with AI. Thanks for watching Moneybot Daily. See you in the next video.